In this training video, we'll be going over the projects page, or otherwise known as index page. As you can see, we call it the projects page. First off, you can start a new project if you click on this tab right here. And then it would load right at the top here, a brand new job started. Next, if you want to open up each particular job, such as Mary Rogers, you would click Open. Right next to that is this red R. What that signifies is, let's say you sent out Mary Rogers a review request. We have that for you. So this will signify that it has been reviewed and requested. So that's for Mary Rogers, which is under the owner insured, or it could be a company name for that matter. The address, phone number, and was it assigned to truck 3 or 4, truck 1? This could say team 1, same T2, team 2, or it could be individual names if you wanted. It's up to you. You can program all of this. And then status. So Mary Rogers' status is completed. The job has been finished. It hasn't been invoiced yet or paid, but it has been completed. So these statuses are fantastic. You can see all your jobs and what status they're in. Then you have the type of a job. Okay, so Mary Rogers' type of job was electrical. Could have been mitigation, it could be fire, mold, construction, cleaning. It's up to you. This is all programmable as well. And then the dry timer, one of my favorites. This is great for the mitigation guys, although you can use it on any industry. But for mitigation guys, you want to be sure that you got in a 24-hour period of drying. Sometimes you won't get paid. I know all about this. You will not get paid if you don't have a 24-hour period. Of course, sometimes it may not be a 24-hour period, and it is what it is. But any industry can use these dry timers. This will save you money and make you money. Also, the created area here. This is the date that it was created. And then in the event you need to delete this job, you would use the trash can. So everything at a glance, which is very nice to see right in front of you. This area here, these are 4 filters. These are absolutely fantastic. You might have 200 jobs or more showing, and you need to manage these jobs. You need to streamline and see these quicker and in a more streamlined fashion. That's what these are for. So if you click on this calendar, okay, this will show you all of your jobs, or you could click on today's jobs, and then you would click apply, or yesterday's jobs and apply, or this month, this year, or last month, and then streamline these down just for these selections. Also, just of note, this automatically defaults for starting the first of the year to present date, today. But again, you could change these, and it's just a fantastic way to see what jobs you want to see just by date. So that's for that filter. Another fantastic filter is project type. So if you just wanted to see all the electrical jobs or all the mitigation jobs, you'd click on this, and here's your drop down. You might have some roofing jobs. Okay, so all these are programmable, and they will show up under your job type. So absolutely super powerful, and you can by those 2 filters alone. Now let's say you want to see these jobs here. You only want to see estimate. Okay, click on estimate, and you're going to see what happens. Okay, here they go. All the estimates just showed up under status because you use that filter. That's just fantastic. So, and if you want to go back, just click up here, and it's going to reload all of your jobs, whatever status. So there it is. You're completed, you're in progress, you're invoiced. Very, very powerful filters that will help you to illustrate what's going on with your jobs and your teams and a lot more. And then this is your teams. Again, you can program these. It could be team, trucks, you have a storage area where your equipment is in. This is all programmable for you. The other good thing about these 4 filters is you can use them in combination. If you just want to see a specific set of dates, but you just want only teams showing, well, then do that. Or these dates with job status, you can do that as well. So a very powerful section under filters, and again under projects and your index page, as somebody would call it. Also, you have total paid, which shows what you've been paid according to what's showing on the date right now, and projects and teams and statuses. Also total outstanding. So these two will correlate with this, with the calendar dates, and as well as project type, team, and status. So very, very powerful. You may be looking for, let's say, Nancy Rogers. You just can't seem to find it here, so you've got the search bar, and that's another way to just narrow it down. Just great tools at a glance, so you can do that. Also, let's say, okay, so right here is showing 20 different jobs. Let's say you want to see 50. Well, let's click on 50. It's that easy. It's going to formulate that for us. And it's coming up here. And there it is. So now you can see up to 50 jobs. And you may want to go to a second page. You would click on here and just keep going. So this area, the projects and index page, is absolutely a must. It's all right here. And of course your logo will show at the top. And that's what this whole projects page will cover. And it's a lot. To your success. And thank you for watching.